Hi y'all, this is a tour of my these. So first we got these lights and then traps, then these little pushes things. Wait, I need to charge my phone.
No.
Anak, I charge my cell phone. How do you charge it?
Ano mga sandwiches mo?
It's only 9%, bro.
Meron nung kami chicken, burger, hot dog.
And then we got some tents. Sorry for the screaming. Anyways. I'll have a shelf for the food. But right now we don't have food. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Then my log walls compass. Where are they? Oh my gosh.
Nakilala niyo ba yung taong maaaring nakapatay sa mga yan?
Hindi ko, pero may nakita ko kung taong sakit. Diyan mo nakaupo.
Sa kilala niyo ba?
Hindi ko. Dahil nakatulong siya sa nakatulong mo na ito.
May kasama mo ba siya?
Nag-iipon siya nang nakita ko.
Alam niya. Pasporo.
Maraming salamat sa misis.
Wala akong anuman.
Si Tiniente, hindi pa rin tukoy na involved siya doon?
Hindi, alam mo na.
Magandang gabi, sir. O ano, may bago naman sa ako. Sir, pagpunta natin na napapatay. At ayon sa impormasyon natin, ang mga biktima ay suspect sa pagpaslang ng iyong asawa at anak. Hindi mo mayali sa isipan natin na maaaring kayong may kagagawa nito. Pinagbibintangan mo ba ako?
Nagbali siya ng pasporo.
Pwede ho, sir. Dahil establisado ang lahat ng pangyayari. At maaaring ito ay aggravating circumstances dahilan sa pagkasa. Mabigat na paratang yan, Teniente Bata. Nakalimutan mo na yata ang abogadong kaharap mo. Hindi mo pwedeng pag-ugnay-ugnayin ang mga pangyayari due to circumstantial evidence. Alalahanin mong wala ka sa pinangyarihan ng krimen. At ni wala kang testigo. Ikaw naman ang tatanungin ko. Bakit hindi mo inaresto yung tatlong suspect na sinasabi mo nung sila'y nabubuhay pa? Dahil wala kaming matibay na ebidensya. Ayun. Sa makatuwid, hindi pala masamang pumatay kapag walang nakakita. Yung ba gusto mong palabasin? Suspect mo lang pala ako. Hindi mo ba ako pwedeng arresto? Walang nakukulong sa hinata. Magpapaalam na ako. Siya nga pala, sir. Para sa inyo.
Ito madami.
Tayo na.
Pero, wala pa rin ano na, nakita ko siya. Although doon yung mga palito na pinagtutulong niya.
Habit niya.
Oo, habit niya eh. Siya talaga yun. Kaya lang, wala kang ano eh, wala kang larawan eh.
Ano tao sa likod?
Hi. Pwede ba makisakay?
Pwede. Pero hindi kita may hindi taxi itong kotse ko eh.
Hindi naman ako bakit. Mas maganda kung sabay tayong bababa. At sabay rin tayong akit sa langit.
Ay, gano'n tayo, ng oras na. Oo, sakto, alas 8, baka masarap lang tayo.
Ano naman? Tama ka na.
Saan?
So, para makapunta tayo. Tama
Wala
ka
naman
na.
akong friends.
Hindi, no need na. Friends, kasi
It's
friend
happening
naman kami.
time! Let's go! Let's go!
Nagkaroon ako ng bruise kanina sa ball. Sabi ko sa'yo, hard yung
Wala.
volleyball.
Hindi na. Yan.
Hard siya. Hindi ka nasaktan, di ba naman tinamaan?
Tinamaan ka.
Ano, ano, tagawa na.
No. Fudging.
Wala. Sarado na mamaya yun.
Oo naman. Kailangan ko talaga magpadala.
Bisa mo, ano, oras na, ano, short ka na. Taran, tagal mo.
Put lang muna dyan. Tara na.
I don't want to go.
Balikan na lang natin ito. Maganda ito.
Dali kayo nang sa pasalubong ah.
Ayan.
Tayo eh.
Pasalubong na. Anong gusto mo ikay?
Kahit ano, basta pasalubong, basta pagkain.
Wala, grabe siya.
Thank you, Kategi. Ay,
The owner of 999
thank you, Kategi.
and gives me every single admin tool, such as the admin axe and the admin gun, which, if you're unaware, completely destroys everything in the
Say,
game.
palagyan ko rin yung battery
It
to.
used to kill the cultist king
Michael
in
Kors.
seconds. So subscribe if you
Pwede.
are new, because this admin video goes crazy. Alright guys, here
Tawag
we
mo.
are in the game with Viradel, the owner of 99 Nights.
Alam mo yung
Oh
force niya?
my gosh, bro, look at him. Bro, this has gotta be like max aura, bro. You are the GOAT, Viradel. Bro, we all love you, man. We all love your game. It is absolutely goated. And wait, what did he say? I've got something for you. Let's see it, bro. Oh my god, please. Cracky's gonna kill me for handing these out. Yo, no. Oh my god. The admin axe. Oh, and the admin gun. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, you are the GOAT. No way. I better be off before. Oh god. Yo, Weirdo's tripping. Oh, he just died. No, bro, no. We gotta try to revive him. He left. Oh my gosh. Bro just came in here and gave us the rarest things in the game. Oh my goodness, yo, seriously, Weirdo, thank you so much if you're watching this video, bro. He gave us the admin axe and the admin gun. Guys, look, this is 100% real. Oh my gosh. Infinite ammo, and we can one-tap anything? Oh my gosh, bro. This is insane. Let's go! Oh my gosh, we've been waiting for this, bro. We've been waiting for this for so long. Well, I guess we can go ahead and open up our backpack and throw the regular axe in there, and, oh, okay, I guess we can. Never mind. But you already know, bro, we have the cyborg armor and the admin axe with the admin gun, bro. This is insane.
No.
Okay, it's not nighttime. I've been doing way too much yapping. But let's truly see how fast we can beat the game with admin-only tools. Bro, this is
Haha,
so
mami,
fun.
ikaw yung
Oh my
nagawain.
gosh, bro, I've been wanting to test out these admin tools ever
Ano
since
na?
you guys
Ikaw yung
thought they
nagawa.
were
Do you
real.
have
And
evidence?
shout out to Veer,
I
the
know.
owner of the game, bro. He's absolutely so
Anong,
goated.
ano?
Look at this. We
Anong,
can just roll
you know?
around and one-tap everything.
I know what you did.
Oh my gosh, guys.
Bakit? Na paano nga ba?
It feels illegal. I should not have this overpowered of stuff. I just shouldn't.
It's
Wait,
ano, you did,
maybe we can use
you
the admin
made,
gun to
you made
finally
the
kill the deer.
watch of Daddy broken.
Saan? Paano?
Siya ba nakabagsak eh?
Yeah.
Paano?
Wait, why does he act so kind of scared?
It was in the side of here in the table,
Oh.
and then it was very on the edge. So mommy, she made it hulog because she was near the ano.
Tanggal pala yung ano sa salamin.
Ayan.
Kaya pala galaw ng galaw pa yun. Laundry, 1 kg.
Continue na. What you will say?
Pang laundry.
Mata, isita,
Kasi
isita, kudo, Tony,
Bilangin mo pera mo.
surushi, hansanay.
yung over the flag yun.
Daddy si Nika, you know? Nika, sabihin ko kay Daddy ha.
O, di ba?
Sabihin ko ang ginawa ko.
Eh, ano yung ginawa ko?
Sabi, sinika yun, no?
It's a fellow trader, not a
Ibambong mo ako eh. Di ba ako, inano, in-question na.
Talaga na, sir. Ang tagal mo.
Well, I literally have the
Ay,
app now.
sorry.
Okay, bro.
Sabi nila.
I know you guys are like, oh, I'm shopping for me right now. I'm too excited. I literally can't even contain my excitement. I need to just relax. Alright, here we go, bro. None of you guys stand a chance. Look at this. Oh my gosh. We can just destroy everything. This is so fire. Everybody dead? Everybody's already dead.
Having you near me.
Oh my god.
Having you near me.
Guys, this is so much fun, bro. Let me know down in the comments. How much Robux did you spend for the admin gun, bro? I think I would literally spend 100,000 Robux. I'm not even kidding. Nice, bro. And it was admin tool. And you're gonna give me an old flashlight? Ooh, calm down. Let me not fresh out. Come on, yo. Not fresh out. I don't even know why I'm looting at this point, bro. I already have the best things in the game. It doesn't really make no sense. But it's whatever, bro. It's whatever. I'm gonna do it anyway. Also, with the admin axe, we can try and clear out the entire forest, bro. It's just too goated. Here we are, back in the fire, drop everything off, drop the kid off, and now we're gonna drop off some more of our stuff. And now, as you see, guys, my crafting bench
Are
is
you
right over there,
serious?
okay? I have absolutely nothing.
Stop.
Take out this big boy and go start
Like,
chopping down some trees.
bro.
Boom, boom, boom,
Genuinely stop.
boom, boom. Alright, what am I doing? Why am I saying boom over and over again? But it is time to absolutely cause global warming. That's right. I am destroying every tree
Like,
that
genuinely
exists in
stop
Mansion. At this
grabbing
point, I might as well
my
have hacks. Literally just start calling me
thing.
Yelp the hacker, bro. Like, look at all of these trees that are just being chopped down. It's like I'm actually playing my own admin abuse, bro.
Oh, she
Big
dated.
trees are already chopped
I she dated.
sack, okay? An admin
I she dated.
stop saying that, bro.
わがままになお
Makes sense, makes sense. Because it's
い
how
て
we
よ
destroyed anything.
のままた
Go to, bro.
いの
We're not gonna go to camp by level 5, and I think
でもねきぜよ
any animal
なおねが
little wolf.
愛している愛している
But no, in all seriousness,
愛しているわがままになと
I own the game.
今日のままだ
Days, bro.
よったぼーとせ
Abusing nothing, okay? The only thing he's doing is making Yelp a little bit more overpowered, okay? But let's go ahead and
よ
although I don't really think we can.
はうせを
Okay, let's start.
ほもまた
But it's okay, it's okay. I like it, I like it. Ooh, a cake, let's go! Cakes are actually goated. Bro, the next thing I gotta ask Beardell to do is to spawn my base with infinite cake. And I'm not talking about this right here, okay? I'm talking about the real cake. Alright, bro, what am I talking about? What am I doing, bro? I'm a grown man. Ooh, and let's see. I know I don't need it, okay? I know I don't need it, but let's see. Holy Oriflamme, the strong axe. Watch this, ready? I'm not even gonna pay attention. الذكاء الاصطناعي تطور على الإنسان
あしてる あしてるわがなまねの愛してるわ 我が名前になお今日もまた今日もまた夜も手はぜとわはるかとはるか遠い遠い昔巻かれた首は人が欲しい人が欲しいと叫ぶ呪いの首は怒るないで見捨てないでどこも行かないで、ね、気を縮めろくまで死ぬ人が絶えないはるか遠い遠い昔巻かれた首は人が欲しい人が欲しいと叫ぶ呪いの首は怒らないで見捨てないでどこも行かないで、ね、気を縮める気まで死ぬ人が絶えない。Okay, guys, I am genuinely so sorry for my singing. I know I genuinely sound bad, but yes, I don't know how to sing properly. Yeah. Gotta put that there. Turn the video in. Okay, bye. I died. Are you genuinely serious? Oh my. And I literally had the best bass ever. But yeah. Bye guys.